Hello guys, this is the 2024 redesigned Mercedes-Benz E350. Today I'm going to be taking it on a POV test drive. This one is packed with a ton of options and features. This one has the 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, does have the dash cam, heated rear seats, soft closing door, driver assistant package, digital lights, winter package, leather package, does have the multi contour seating package, sun protection package, and the aromatic package. This one is the Pinnacle trim, and this thing looks beautiful from the outside. I really like the redesigned E350. I think Mercedes-Benz did a great job with the design. This one is finished in black, and it does have the black Napa leather, which is almost a $3,000 option. The price on this one is almost $86,000 with destination, but seriously, this thing looks amazing in person. I really didn't like the way how it looked like over the videos and pictures, but in person this thing looks amazing. But let's go ahead and take it on a POV test drive and see how it does. All right, here's the interior of this 2024 all-new Mercedes-Benz E350. As I told you guys, this one has a ton of features, and the price on this one, as I said, is $86,000 with destination and with all the options and the packages this one has. Interior looks very, very nice. I love this massive screen, and I really like the exterior design of this E350. I think Mercedes-Benz did a great job. But yeah, overall, fit, finish, leather, everything is nice and soft. This one has the Napa leather seats, which gives this E350 that diamond look design. But yeah, overall, this thing looks amazing from the inside and out. So before I move, I would like to show you the backup camera. Backup camera quality on this E-Class is very, very good, and it does have different angles and views, and the camera quality overall is beautiful. There's a front-facing camera with the 360. There's a wide-facing camera. There is the back and wide as well, and then of course you have the 360 or this 3D view, and then there is an auto view, basically shows everything, and of course the parking sensors right here. And let me go ahead and show you. Let's go ahead and put the car in drive. So before I move, I want to show you the massaging seat function. So there is the relaxing massage, wave, deep wave, hot stone massage. There is a ton of massaging functions. Seat, you could control the seat. You could even control the side of the seat, which is right here. And there is the heated setting. You could actually control where the heat will be. So if you want it to be only back, you want it to be mix, you want it to be only bottom, you could do that for the driver and passenger. So a ton of controls. And another thing, this E-Class has the seat positioning. So basically you could select your height, and the car will basically move the seat and adjust the steering wheel and everything. But let's go ahead and take it on a drive and see how it does. This car has a ton of features. It does even have all the nice safety features. The seat belt tightens up, pushes me back to the seat, just makes me feel more secured. It is extremely quiet in the cabin of this E350. Steering wheel is very, very light, and it does have rear steering, which is beautiful around small parking spots. So this is the E350. It does have the 2.0 turbocharged inline 4. It is connected to a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which works amazing. So when I am slowing down, the engine will turn off, and it just gives this car a very premium feel. There's no shaking or anything like that. Beautiful screens. It does have the super screen, which is basically a small screen right there. I can't see it if someone is watching a video. It does have Netflix and YouTube and those kind of stuff, Amazon Prime. You could even watch videos right here, YouTube, eBay, Walmart, so you could access things like that. We're gonna take this E-Class on the highway and we'll see how it does. So this E350 accelerates actually very good. It does feel very, very light, even though it is a big, heavy luxury sedan. And yeah, overall it feels very good around turns. Oh yeah, this suspension is definitely nice, but I could definitely feel the weight of the car, and that's completely fine. This is a normal E350. Let's go ahead and put this thing back in comfort mode and see how it does on the highway. It is very quiet on the highway, feel very solid when hitting potholes or anything on the road. So this Benz has all the nice safety features, like emergency braking, lane keeping assist, lane change, road cross traffic, blind spot monitoring system, and it does have the 360 camera system, which looks amazing, and it is very high definition. But it is very, very quiet in here. On the highway, I'm usually shouting when doing those kind of videos, but in this E-Class it is extremely quiet and beautiful in here. I love the interior. I really like this wood, black wood. Ambient lights look amazing. I did see a few videos on YouTube of the ambient light at night, and beautiful comfortable seats. Again guys, those seats have the massaging function, and those seats have built-in speakers, so when you have the music on, the speakers are like shaking and moving, and it's just a very nice experience. Ambient lights, you could of course control it from here. You could do a few things right here too, so definitely a ton of features. Again, you could watch videos. I'll talk about the horsepower numbers and torque when I hop on the highway. And the steering wheel is very light, but the rear steering is beautiful. The car changes directions very, very quick. Oh yeah. Even though this is only the normal E350, I think it's very good around turns. Not sports car good, but I think the suspension is doing a good job keeping this car planted, and I'm truly impressed with the way how this suspension is. It feels very confident, but at the same time it is very it does feel sporty. Let's go ahead and turn on the safety features. So the lane keeping assist, steering assist, adaptive cruise control are on, and the car is driving by itself. The voice command system is very annoying. It's very sensitive. So I'm not a big fan of that. I think Mercedes-Benz should work on that a tiny bit. But overall, driving this thing on the highway doing 73 miles per hour, it is extremely comfortable and quiet, and it's seriously amazing. And so this car has the soft closing doors, does have the airmatic suspension. It is the Pinnacle trim. Does have rear shade, does have this beautiful panoramic sunroof, does look very good when it's open, and overall the driving experience of this E-Class is just amazing. The safety features work very good. It does give me a message once in a while, tell me to touch the steering wheel so the car knows that I'm actually paying attention. There is a dash cam in this E-Class. This one is equipped with the dash cam. I believe it's a $200 option if I'm not mistaken. I really like this massive screen. But let's go ahead and talk about the horsepower numbers, because I completely forgot. So this car has a 2.0 inline, 2.0 turbocharged inline 4. It is connected to a 48 volt mild hybrid system, and this engine produces 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. And this engine is connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. And this 9-speed automatic transmission is responsive. I think it's good enough for a non-AMG. So the tuning and shifting, I think it's perfect for a luxury sedan. It doesn't feel very slow and lazy. I think it's just perfect. And it is extremely quiet in here. There's no pumped in audio from the speakers. There's no fake engine noises. It's just very, very low sound. Brakes feel alright. I wish they were a tiny bit better, but overall it's beautiful. Oh yeah. From a dead stop, there is no delay. This 48 mild hybrid system gets the car going. There is no turbo lag or anything like that. Again, guys, I really wish that the brakes were a little bit better. I feel like they are a little bit stiff. I do understand it's not a sporty sedan, but I really wish they were a tiny bit better. So this E-Class drives very smooth and comfortable, and it soaks the bumps really good. It's very refined, very comfortable, and even driving it around parking lots, very tight spots, it's very easy because it does have rear steering, and I believe the rear steering is about 3 degrees or 5 degrees. I'll correct that in the bottom of this video. But basically it makes driving this thing extremely easy around tight places. So maneuvering this thing is very easy. So if you guys are curious about the MPGs, they are 24 in the city, 33 highway, and 27 combined. I think those numbers are very good for a luxury sedan, but I do understand it does have a 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, so of course it's going to save some gas. But yeah, overall beautiful, comfortable, spacious. There's a ton of legroom and headroom. The back seats are nice and big. There is a big back shade, and there is this shade, very thin, but there is a panoramic sunroof, which is nice. beautiful massive screens, and a ton of gloss black. Those two screens, they are fingerprint magnets. Not a big fan of that. I think Mercedes-Benz should fix that, or maybe having a screen protector right here could actually fix this issue. But overall, from a dead stop, this thing is very, very responsive. Again guys, 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. They're alright numbers. I really wish for the price point it had more power, but yeah, 255 is actually not bad. We're gonna be doing a sharp turn, and the rear steering wheel will help a lot. Piece of cake. Extremely easy to make very sharp turns like this. I really like the rear steering wheel. I think it's amazing, and I think Mercedes-Benz did a great job with adding it to the C43 and the E350. Let's go ahead and do a test right here. This thing is crazy. It turns very easy, and I could feel the back kicking out or pushing out. Very, very easy. Just doing this move right here, the car changes direction very, very quick. I love it. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to thank Izzy and Mercedes-Benz of North Haven, Connecticut for providing me this beautiful E350. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the information and link in the bottom of this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please like and subscribe, because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.